Here's how to convert to WEBP for free. So I created this app called ConvertSave. You can check it out with the link in the description down below. On this video only, you can check it out for free. So if you're trying to convert files or images to WebP, whether it's HEIC, PNG, JPEG, or even other image file types, all you have to do with ConvertSave is drag and drop it in. It does not upload your files anywhere. It actually converts right on your computer. We select the output, so we're going to select WebP, and we're going to hit convert. It converts and it saves right next to wherever those images came from. I pretty much just said to my brother one day, hey, can you make me a file converter for images, video, and audio? And also, can you make it offline and work on Mac and Windows? And he said yes. And so we made ConvertSave, and we've worked on it quite a bit, and it's out there. And if you're watching this video, you can try it free right now. So if you need to do this conversion right now, you can go do it for free. Check it out. If you want to keep the software, you can. If not, that's fine. I appreciate your support anyway, and hopefully this helps you do these conversions, or at least convert to WebP images for free. And maybe you find it useful even beyond that for video and audio conversions. Take care, you guys. Thanks for the support, and I'll see you in the next one.